Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. So what are the important points that we take care of every day? Before we start with our video, we always discuss that points without fail. First thing, please do not forget to wear your mask whenever you go outside. Without mask, you should never go outside anywhere as of now. And if possible, also you should take a small sanitizer bottle along with you. Whenever you come back from outside anywhere, suppose you have gone out for playing or you have gone somewhere with your parents, whenever you come back, see that you wash your hands before you touch anything in the house. Wash your hands for 30 seconds with a soap. Keep your surroundings neat and clean. And one more thing, take care of the animals around your house, like the animals in the street dogs and other animals. Please feed them with water, food, whatever you can give them. This video is for class 2, subject science. And before we continue, we shall read one beautiful thought. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. So the meaning of this thought is, it is not very easy to get education. Like you have so many subjects for studying, you have so many subjects to work hard for, you have so many subjects to learn for the exam. So it is very bitter, it is not very easy, but the fruit is very sweet. But in the future, when you grow up, you will understand that schools and the subjects that you studied in school was for your better future. You will surely get success in future if your roots are bitter. If you study hard, if you study so many subjects in the school, that means you are working hard, and that will show the result in future. Your future will be surely good. So the fruit is sweet, but maybe the roots are bitter. Maybe you will not like studying hard, studying all day, but it is for your good and for your benefit. The topics that we are covering in today's video: question bank of chapter number 2. We will solve the extra questions for practice, that is question bank of chapter number 2, uses of plants, and then we will revision based on practice exercise. We have brought new practice exercise for chapter number 2, uses of plants, and today we shall solve that exercise and have a better practice of the lesson. But before that, let us recall some important keywords of the lesson. Chapter number 2, uses of plants. So before we start with our video, I want you to be ready with your notebooks, pencils, erasers, so that you can write the important points which I tell you to note down. Please be ready with your notebook. Let us do quick revision of the chapter with the help of keywords and summary. So first we will study the keywords and summary, and then we will solve the question bank for this chapter. So the first important point in this lesson was cereals. So you have to write only this underlined part in your notebook. You will write only the underlined part in your notebook, means you will only write cereals. You will not write this whole thing, just write number 1, cereals. The food grains of rice, wheat, maize, barley and oat are known as cereals. So what are cereals? We have studied in lesson 2, cereals and pulses. Cereals are food grains. Food grains of what? Of rice, wheat, maize, barley, oat. These are known as cereals. Then second important point, you have to write down only this much in your notebook. What will you write? You will just write pulses. Grains such as moong and kidney beans are known as pulses. So what are pulses? Grains. Pulses are grains. Grains such as moong and kidney beans. Kidney beans are in the shape of kidney, so they are named kidney beans. So moong and kidney beans are grains, and these are known as pulses. Then third important point you will write down in your notebook, that is spice. Only this spelling you will write. What is the spelling? S-P-I-C-E, spice. A spice is usually a dried seed, fruit, root or bark. Means it is dried seed when the seed becomes dry, fruit, root or bark. When these things become dry, we can make a spice out of these dried things. And do you know the work? We have already learned that spices are used to add color and flavor to our food. So I hope you have written these two keywords in your notebook. Then next we have learned is plant give us food, oil and medicine. What do plants give us? Plants give us food, oil and medicines. We get so many things. So you have to write these three things in your notebook. Food, oil and medicine. We get these things from plants. Then so we get these three important things for our daily use from plants. Then we get fibers from plants. Fibers are used to make cloth. So one more important thing that we get from plants, that is fibers. And what is the use of the fiber? Fibers are used to make clothes. Then next important point, we get rubber, paper, gum and wood from plants. What do we get? Rubber, paper, gum and wood. These are also important things that we use daily. Rubber, paper, gum and wood we get from plants. So we are discussing uses of plants. Summary. Last important point, soaps, toothpaste and perfumes are made from juices and oils of plants. What do we get? Soap, toothpaste and perfume. These three things we get from juices and oils of some plants. These three things are also very important for us, and also these four things we get all these things from plants. So plants are very useful for us. Now after completing the summary, we have seen the keywords, the important points of chapter. Now let us solve the question bank. So on the new page, you have to give the heading chapter 2 uses of plants. Please give the heading in your notebook. Chapter 2 uses of plants, questions. We are solving the question bank. So the questions are given. Let us see what are the extra questions. Today we will learn something new in the lesson, and together we shall revise the lesson. So please give this heading. Now the first question is like a game. We have to match the following. I know you all enjoy doing this, match the following. So now let us match the following. What is given on the left hand side? Let us read. Cereals, spices, rubber, flowers, wood. And over here, rose and jasmine, doors and furniture, rice and wheat, pepper and cardamom, and last one, tires and pipes. So let us match. So first one is cereals. Do you know which are the cereals from this? Can you identify the cereals? You have to write the question and direct answer in front of the question. So what are the cereals from these 5 options? Can you tell me which one is the cereal? Yes, rice and wheat. These are cereals. So we have to match cereals with rice and wheat, because rice and wheat are the 2 examples of cereals. Then spices. What are the spices given over here? Are the names of the spices given? The examples of the spices given over here are pepper and cardamom. Pepper and cardamom are the examples of spices. So let us match spices with pepper and cardamom. These are 2 spices which adds flavor to our food, makes our food tasty, delicious. Then the third one is rubber, rubber. So where do we match rubber? is there any example of rubber over here? What can we make with the help of rubber? The last one you can see, tires and pipes. We can make the tires for the vehicles and pipes used for the passage of the water and many other things. So tires and pipes are made with rubber. So we have to match that third one with rubber because that is the correct option. So next one is flowers, flowers. Where do we match flowers? Flowers, are there the names of any flowers in the list? Yes, rose and jasmine. These are the names of two flowers which have a very pleasant smell. So we have to match flowers with rose and jasmine because these are the names of two good smelling flowers. And last one is left with the last option, wood. W-O-O-D, wood. What do we make with the help of wood? We can make doors and furniture like table, chair, etc. So with the help of wood we can make doors and furniture. So that is the correct option. I hope you have written all the questions with the answers. Let us revise. Cereals, rice and wheat. Spices, pepper and cardamom. Rubber, tires and pipes. Flowers, rose and jasmine. Wood, doors and furniture. So the next heading is answer the following questions. So you have to give the heading question answers. Just you can give the heading in short and you have to write only the answers in your notebook. You will write only answers. So first one, name one thing that we get from the following plants. So we have to give any one thing that we get from these plants. So over here you can see the image of a bamboo plant. So can you tell me any one thing that we get from bamboo? What do we get? We get wood. So let us write the spelling. All of you have to write along with me. W-O-O-D, wood. We get wood from bamboo plant. Write the answer number 1, W-O-O-D, wood. We get wood from bamboo. Then number 2, acacia. Do you know what do we get from acacia plant? We get gum. We get gum from acacia plant. So what is the spelling of gum? G-U-M. We get gum from acacia plant. I hope you have written the spelling. What is the spelling? G-U-M. We get gum from this plant. This is number 2. Then next, what do we get from this? Mango plant. What does mango plant give us? It gives us medicine. So what is the spelling? M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E, medicine. Then next, sugar cane. What do we get from sugar cane? Do you know what do we get from sugar cane? We get sugar from sugar cane. So what is the spelling? S-U-G-A-R, sugar. We get sugar from sugar cane. Please write this. It is number 4, S-U-G-A-R, sugar. Then number 5. What is given? C-O-C-O-A, cocoa. From cocoa powder, we can make one delicious item which is the favorite item of children. That is chocolate. Let us write the spelling of chocolate. What is the spelling? C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E, chocolate. So you have to write this answer number 5 in your notebook. What do we get from cocoa powder? We get chocolate. C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E, chocolate. Then next, what is the next topic? See the question bank. Question answers are there. So let us write, just give the heading question bank. See the first one, write the names of 3 plants that give us cereals. So do you know the 3 plants that give us cereals? Where do we get cereals from? We have to write the names of 3 plants that give us cereals. Let us see the answer. Rice, wheat, maize. Here is the image which you want to see. Where do we get cereals from? Rice, wheat, maize. These are the names of 3 plants that give us cereals. Cereals are very healthy and we need it in our diet every day. So rice, wheat and maize give us cereals. Next, number 2. What is a spice? What is the meaning of spice? A spice is usually dried seed, fruit, root or bark. It is dried. When the seed, fruit, root or bark becomes dry, it is used as spice. And the work of spice is it makes our food spicy. In Hindi we say tikha. And it will give flavor and it will also add color to our food. So spice makes our food spicy. Next, name any 2 plants that give us fiber. So now we have to write the names of 2 plants that give us fiber. Where do we get fiber from? So we get fibers such as cotton and jute from plants. So which are the 2 plants? Cotton and jute plant. These 2 plants give us fibers. So you just have to write the names of these 2. You only have to write the things which I underline. The first one is COTTON, cotton. The second one is JUTE, jute. We get fibers such as cotton and jute from plants. Here is the image of cotton. Here is the image of jute products. Cotton plant and jute products. Next, name 3 things that are made from wood. Name 2 plants that give us wood. So first we have to write 3 things that we can make with the help of wood and 2 plants that give us wood. So first let us see the name of the 3 things that we can make from wood. What can we make? We can make house, furniture and boat from wood. What can we make? House, furniture and boat. We can make these 3 things with the help of wood. And which are the plants that give us wood? Teak and shisham are the plants that give us wood. So there was a question that we have just seen. 3 things that we get from wood and 2 plants that give us wood. So the answer to the question is house, furniture and boat we can make from wood. These are the 3 things we can make from wood. And where do we get wood from? From teak and shisham plants we get wood. Next, see, these are the images of the things which we can make from wood, like houses, boat, furniture. These are the images of the items that are made with the help of wood. So I hope you have understood. Next, name 2 plants whose flowers are used to make perfume. So we have to write the names of any 2 plants which are used for making perfume. Perfume is a good smelling liquid that will give a good smell to your clothes, to your body, so you will smell good. So we have to write 2 plants whose flowers are used for making perfumes. So here are the names. Flower of plants such as rose and jasmine are used to make perfume. Over here you can see rose and jasmine. So first one you have to write is ROSE, rose. Second one you have to write is JASMINE, jasmine. Rose and jasmine are the flower of plants, and with the help of rose and jasmine we can make perfumes, and the smell of these two is very pleasant smell. All the people like the smell of rose and jasmine, so the perfumes are made out of the flowers of these plants. Now here you have to write down in your notebook. First you will write two cereals. We have to write the names of these cereals. We have to identify the image. Let us identify the images given on the screen. So this is something that we need almost daily for eating. What is this? This is the image of rice. So let us write the spelling RICE, rice, and we shall put that answer in the blank. You have to write the answer in your notebook. What is the image about? This is the image of a rice, bowl of rice. Then second one, can you identify this image? The second image, what is this? This is the image of wheat. So what is the spelling of wheat? Write along with me. WHEAT, wheat. This image is of wheat. So this is the image of rice. This is the image of wheat. Then next two images. Let us write the next two images. This is something that people eat especially during rainy season. What is this? This is a maize. So I will write the spelling. What is the spelling of maize? MAIZE, maize. And you have to write the answer. You have to write the spelling in your notebook. MAIZE, maize. Then this one. Can you identify this image? What is the image of besides maize? This is the image of barley. So what is the spelling of barley? I am writing the spelling. You have to write the spelling. BARLEY, barley. I hope you have written the answer in your notebook. The first image which is shown on the screen is maize. The second one is barley, maize and barley. Then next two images are there on your screen. Can you identify these images? What is the image of this one and the second one? So the first image is of oats. What is the spelling of oats? Write the spelling along with me. OATS, oats. And I'll put the answer in the blank over here so that you can write the spelling. This is the image of oats. OATS, oats. Then the second image is of legume. What is the spelling? Let us write LEGUME, legume. So this is the image of oats. This is the image of legume. So I hope you have written these two answers in your notebook. Then next, now we have to write the names of pulses. Till now we were writing cereals. Now we are writing pulses. So let us write. Can you identify these two pulses? Very popular pulses. We have seen the images many times in the previous videos. So this is the image of moong, and this is in the shape of kidney that we have in our body. It is the image of kidney beans. So I am writing both the answers. You have to write along with me. The first image is of moong, MUNG, moong, and you have to write that answer in your notebook. MUNG, moong. And this image is of kidney beans, as I told you. KIDNEY, kidney. BEANS, kidney beans. You have to write the second answer also after writing the first answer. So these are the two pulses which are shown on the screen, moong and kidney beans. Then let us see the next two images. Now next two are the images of spices, and spices make our food spicy, they give flavor to our food, they make our food very delicious, very tasty. So these are the two most used spices in the world. The first one is cardamom, the second one is cinnamon. So let us write the spellings of both the spices. Write along with me. The first one, cardamom, cardamom. You have to write that spelling, cardamom, cardamom. The second one is cinnamon. So for that also we'll write the spelling, cinnamon, cinnamon. Cardamom and cinnamon, these are the two most popular spices in the world. I hope you have written the spelling. You have to learn the spelling, you have to memorize the spelling of at least two spices. Next, again, these are the spices. What is the name? The first one, very popular, or I should say the most popular. After water, it is drunk the most. This is the image of tea, and along with tea, what do we give in offer to someone? Coffee. So tea and coffee. I shall write the spelling. You will write along with me. TEA, tea, and we shall put it over here in the blank. TEA, tea, and the second one you can see, that is coffee. What is the spelling of coffee? COFFE, coffee. COFFE, coffee. This is the tea. This is the image of a tea, and this is the image of coffee. Then next two images, very easy and favorite for all the children. This is cocoa, and again one of the most used things while cooking, that is sugar. So write the spelling along with me. COCOA, cocoa, and I'll put it over here. The spelling is COCOA, cocoa. And what is the second image about? It is of sugar, SUGAR, sugar. Cocoa and sugar. These are the two images, cocoa and sugar. Next, now can you identify this one? It is used in cooking every day, and it is also used for applying on the hair. It is the image of oil, and this is something which we need while we are sick. This is the image of medicine. So first one, let us write OIL, oil. This is the image of oil. And the second one, as I told you, it is the image of medicine, MEDICINES. Medicines means it is plural, more than one. So this is the image of bowl of oil, and this is the image of medicines. Then next two, can you identify these two, the easy ones? This is cotton, so it is a fiber, and this is the image of wood. So let us write the spelling, FIBRE, fiber, and I'll put it over here. And the next image is of wood, WOOD, wood. So cotton, that is fiber, and wood, as you can see over here, it is the image of wood. Next, this is the image of rubber tree, and this is, we all know what is this, it is paper. So first one is rubber, 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 and we put it over here. Second image is of paper. What is the spelling of paper? PAPER, paper. So rubber and paper, these are the two images, rubber and paper. Then next two, can you identify this? This is the image of soap, and this is the image of toothpaste that we need in the morning every day. So as you can see, I have written over here for you SOAP, soap, TOOTH, PASTE, TE, toothpaste. Then last image. What is this image of? This is the image of a perfume. So let us write the spelling. The spelling is PERFUME, perfume. The last image for today, that is perfume. In today's video, we have solved the question bank of chapter number 2, uses of plants. We have revised this chapter and we have identified so many new images. So I hope you will watch this video twice on YouTube and you will revise your lessons regularly. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.